Hello friends, in our previous video we understood the Janan Yoga, the yoga of knowledge. Today we are going to explore Karma Sannyasa Yoga, the yoga of renunciation of action. Lord Krishna beautifully explains the balance between renunciation of action and selfless action and how true peace is found in selfless living. Arjuna asks Sri Krishna that between renunciation of action or sannyasa and performing action with detachment is karma yoga, which is better. Lord Krishna explains through his teachings. First, renunciation versus karma yoga. Both renunciation of actions and selfless action with detachment can lead to liberation. But Sri Krishna explains that karma yoga, performing duty without attachment to results, is superior and easier to practice. Second, the wise person. A true yogi or wise person is one who does not hate nor desire anything and remains free from dualities like happiness, sorrow, success, failure, and sees gold, stone, or earth as equal. It is content with whatever comes naturally. Third, equanimity. The yogi sees all beings equally: a learned Brahmin, a cow, an elephant, a dog, or even a dog eater. Such equality of vision leads to inner peace and liberation. Fourth, freedom through detachment. By abandoning attachment to sense objects, the yogi enjoys real inner happiness. Temporary pleasures born of contact with the senses are sources of sufferings. True joy comes from the self and leads to the union with Brahman, the Supreme. Fifth, the yogi's life. A yogi lives with discipline, controls the senses, and focuses the mind on God. Such a person finds peace within and attains liberation. The yogi knows that he is not doer but only an instrument of God. Sri Krishna reveals with his saying that the yogi who renounces desires and surrenders to God finds the peace. He knows God as the enjoyer of all sacrifices, the Lord of all worlds, and the well-wisher of all beings. The yogi attains supreme peace. It concludes to both renunciation and karma yoga that lead to liberation, but karma yoga is easier and better. A yogi lives with detachment, equanimity, and devotion. Real happiness is not in worldly pleasures but in union with God. Surrendering to God brings ultimate peace and liberation. Also, in our real life, real happiness lies not in running away from life but in performing our duties with detachment and devotion to God. By surrendering to Him, we find supreme peace and liberation. In the next video, we will move forward to Dhyan Yoga, the yoga of meditation. Till then, take care and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such spiritual knowledge. Thank you for listening.